In this video, we're going to go over the best power chairs in 2025, so stay tuned to this video review. Hey, I'm Alex with Marcs Mobility. In this video, we're going to go over our top picks on the different classifications of power chairs on the market currently today. I also want to mention that these videos are on the bottom of the video in the description. We're going to have links that will have more videos and more in depth of each one of the products. So go ahead and scroll down to the description and click on those links to learn a lot more about what we're showing you here. I also want to mention too that it doesn't mean that because of this list is everything that's going to fit best for your needs. So we do always recommend it's best to give us a call, talk to one of our mobility specialists to really truly fit the unit that fits best for your needs. Now, first on this list, we're going to go over full-size power chair. So a full-size power chair is not going to be something that folds or is necessarily portable. So it is just kind of your 250 pound, overall weight of the unit. The unit that we're going to consider best in this is going to be the Jazzy Evo 613. It is a little bit narrower of a base. It is a quick unit. You are able to get it with a sealed lead acid or a lithium battery. It is going to have a memory foam seat. It's going to have a really small turning radius, and it has a little bit faster speed than some of the standard power chairs on the market. So that's why on my list for the best full-size power chair is going to be the Jazzy Evo 613 by Mobility. The next category we're going to go over is going to be travel. Now, I do have two units in here for the travel. The number one is going to be the Jazzy Ultralight, which is by far the best seller on the market. Now, this does only have a 300 pound weight capacity. So if you're over that, keep watching the video. You'll see our next item, which has a 400 pound capacity. But the Ultralight is a 300 pound weight capacity unit. That is a carbon fiber unit, very comfortable, very durable. And the unit is going to be airline approved, and with the battery removed, you're only 33 pounds. So it folds up and it clicks and locks in place, both when it's folded and unfolded. Just for overall performance, the way how it's comfortable, it's a little bit deeper of a seat. And the weight of the unit, the Jazzy Ultralight is by far the best travel power chair on the market currently today. Now, my other option to you would be the City 2 Plus. Now, the reason I mentioned this one is not number one is because it is a heavier unit, but it does have up to a 400 pound weight capacity. Now, this unit is going to be somewhere in that mid 70 pound range. If you do click the link below, you will see videos of how you can remove the rear wheels easily and drop the weight down to that upper 40 pound weight range. But altogether, when you fold it up, it is going to be in that middle 70 pound range. But it does have some pretty awesome features on there, as a really good depth adjustable foot plate and a reclining seat on the back as well. And you have spaces in between the arms to get more distance if you do need more room in between your armrests. So that's why also the City 2 Plus is a great unit to consider if you are somewhere over that 300 pound weight capacity. So now we're going to go over heavy duty power chairs. This is going to be a 450 pound weight capacity classification. I'm going to go with the Jazzy Elite HD. It's just a very true and tested product on the market. It is a front wheel driven unit. It does sit on 4 posts, so it's a very stable unit. You can get it with an up to a 22-inch seat. Now, you can always expand the armrests out to get more distance in between the armrests, but you can get it with no upcharge of a 22-inch seat. It's just been on the market for a very long time. It's a very dependable unit. Now, it is made for hard top surfaces, so it's not going to be made for something you want to go across your yard. But if you're needing something that's going to be pretty smaller and compact inside your home or outside on hard top surfaces, then I do believe for the price point, the Jazzy Elite HD is the best heavy duty power chair on the market currently today. The next category we're going to go over is power chairs with an elevating seat. Now, there's not even a close comparison on this list. It is going to be the Jazzy Air 2. Now, this product's been out for quite some time. The Jazzy Air 2 has a 300 pound weight capacity, but the seat does elevate 12 inches in under 11 seconds. So that's going to get you from 21 inches top of the seat to the ground up to 33 inches. So many uses that you can use for this. One, having that social interaction and being more eye level with somebody, but also on top of that, to have your independence back and be able to look in your pots and pans while you're cooking, to be able to access your sink, your upper cabinets, and or some people use this to help stand and pivot transfer or slide board transfer if they have different heights that they need to slide over to. So really, there's nothing else that comes close to the best unit on the market with a seat lift. So if you are looking for something like this, go ahead and consider the Jazzy Air 2 by Mobility. The next category we're going to go over is going to be a portable unit. Now, many portable units, and yes, you could consider some of the travel units that I mentioned earlier in this category, but I'm going to mention the ComfyGo product specifically just due to the price point. These are gonna have a little bit lower price point. Now they might be a little bit heavier in that middle 50-pound weight range, but these are gonna be a better economic price point. They do have a really cool feature where they have a wireless remote that comes with all of their units as well. And then you're also able to customize the frame and the seat color. So you do stand out and look a little bit different to be able to truly customize it, where most all of their products on this market are kind of a one color frame. Here you can customize your product to your desired look and maybe match your sports teams or your favorite colors that you desire. So once again, the ComfyGo brand, will have the links below. There's 3 or 4 different products that they sell, but for the best portable on the market today, I'm gonna go with ComfyGo products. So the next category we're going to go over is going to be Rehab power chairs. Now Rehab power chairs is a whole wide classification. We do sell these used as well. We have many on our website. Now there are different types of Rehab power chairs, but if I had to pick one per se, I would go with the Permobil M3. Now that is a mid-wheel drive design chair. Reason I went with that unit as compared to some of the other drive designs is the M3 is going to be great for inside because it's a mid-wheel drive design. And you can use it outside, and you can go a little bit off into the non-paved areas as long as it's not a really soft bottom. But the overall comfort of the unit, the turning radius, and just the performance that you get, there's really nothing else close to it than the Permobil M3. And then the last category we're going to go over is going to be those extreme all-terrain power chairs. So we've tested a few of the products on the market. I'm going to go with the XT4 by Marcs Mobility, or Sunrise Medical, who's the US distributor here. But the XT4 is going to be the newest innovative 4x4 chair on the market. Once again, it has 750 watt motors tied to each wheel. There's 4 motors on this, so it's a true 4x4 chair. There's amazing suspension. They actually went with a really larger battery as well on this unit, so you're able to get quite a bit farther distance. Now, it is a very expensive chair, but if you want to get active out into the woods, you want to go on the softest of sand of the beach, I would go ahead and take a look at the XT4 by Marcs Mobility. So once again, in this video, we went over our top picks based on the categories we have on our website for power chairs on the market here currently in 2025. Once again, there might be other products that fit your needs better, so please give us a call. We would love to speak with you. We'll put you with one of our mobility specialists and we'll ask the right questions to get the right product for your needs.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.